Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Chevy Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.